Hi guys, welcome to the Deriv Success channel. So in today's video we are going to be discussing about the head and shoulder pattern and how you can use this pattern to trade on boom and crash, guys. So now before driving into this strategy and how you can use this strategy, we are going to be discussing about the three things today, guys. The strategy, the pattern, guys, how you can use it to trade, and the confirmation you need to see before taking the entry, guys. Now if you are new to my channel, guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, like this video and also turn off your notification bell, so anytime I post new video, guys, you guys will be notified. Now I will appreciate you guys doing that. So let's dive into the pattern, guys. Now this is short definition about the head and shoulder. Head and shoulder formation occurs when a market is trend. It is the process of reversal either from a bullish or bearish trend, guys. Now this head and shoulder occurs when the market is trending, maybe bullish or bearish, guys. Now this is the first head and shoulder, guys. This is how head and shoulder look like, guys. Now let's say the market is trending up like this, guys, creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now this is first left shoulder, guys. First left shoulder, market creates the first left shoulder, it tests this and also creating the head and also come back to the test and also creating this right shoulder, guys, and start creating lower low, lower high, lower low. Now this strategy mainly used to catch the market, catch the reversal pattern, and it is very effective pattern to trade on the market, guys. Now this is the inverse head and shoulder pattern, guys. Now let's say the market is creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then start creating the left shoulder, creating the head and creating the right shoulder, then start creating higher high, higher low, higher low, guys. Now this is how the head and shoulder look like, guys. Now let me now drive to the chart to show you guys how you can make use of this strategy effectively to trade on boom and crash, guys. Now let's use crash 300 to do live example about this strategy, guys. Now I've already spot the area, guys, so to make this video not too long and to make this video very short, guys, so that you guys will be have a better idea about the strategy, guys. Now this is the first here, this is inverse head and shoulder, guys. Now let's say the market is trending to the downside, creating lower low, lower high, guys. Now the market is trending now, creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now this is the first left shoulder, guys. The market trend creating lower high, creating the head, and then forming the right shoulder, guys. Now start going to the upside, guys. Now how do you use this strategy to trade on boom and crash, guys? We are using crash theory, remember, guys. Now the market first creating lower high, lower low, lower high at this area, guys. Now this is the first shoulder right here, guys. This is the left shoulder, guys. Left shoulder right here. Now let me zoom so you guys will see this clearly, guys. Sorry for the guys. Now as you can see here, this is the left shoulder, guys. Remember, this is the left shoulder, guys. Now the market spark to the left shoulder here, trend up a little, creating the head, and the trend up to the exact area, to the exact place here, guys. The exact place here, guys, and then spike again to create the right shoulder, creating the right shoulder right here, guys, and then start trending to the upside before spiking down again. Now if you are using 5 minutes in time frame to trade, if you are able to catch this trend, guys, you have already made some profits, guys. Now how do you use this strategy to trade, guys? Now this is the first thing you need to take note, guys. Let the market for creating the left shoulder head, and this is where you are going to enter the market. This is the place you are going to enter the market. Now wait for the market to trend to the upside here, then the upside here, and then creating the right shoulder, and then start going up. Now immediately you see a candle. Let me delete all this guys. Let me delete all this thing. Let me delete this. Now immediately you see a candle breaking this neckline here, breaking this line here. Immediately you see a candle breaking this line here, then you enter the market going for long, guys, going for long. How do you set your stop loss and TP, guys? Now let's say we enter when the candle breaking this neckline over here, guys, and then we are going to set our TP below the candle breaking the neckline. Or to make us more safer, you can use the right shoulder to set our stop loss, guys, and we are going to take our TP when maybe like one candle before the market reaches the first lower high right here, guys. Now you can see we are going to use, let's say one candle. Now this where we are going to TP. We are going for, maybe we are going to 1.2 risk reward ratio, or 1 to 1 risk reward ratio, guys. Now we are going to 1 point. Let's go for 1 point. Let's see, we are going to 1.05 risk reward ratio, guys. We have already hit our TP. Now this is how you can use this head and shoulder pattern to trade on boom and crash, guys. Now let me show you guys another setup. You can use this pattern to trade on all crash. Now maybe I will be making another video on how you can use this strategy use this pattern to trade on boom, guys. Now this is vector strategy, and it's also strategy. It's pattern, but it's also strategy you can use to trade on boom and crash, guys. And as you already know, guys, you need to be patient. You need to be patient on trading on boom and crash, even in Deriv. You need to be patient, guys. Even in all market, you need to be patient, guys. Now this another example, guys. Now as you can see, the market is trending to the downside here, creating lower low, lower high, and then lower low, forming the first head here, second forming the head, and then creating the right shoulder, guys. As you already know, the market spark to the left shoulder. Then you can see a candle breaking the zone here, and then you see this is a long trend that market starts trending to the upside, guys. Now as I've already told you guys, now how you can enter the market if for the candle to break the neckline at this area. If for the market to break the neckline here, you can see this candle. You can see this candle breaking the neckline here. You can see my cursor here, and then the market trending up. It is a test, guys. Now if you meet this opportunity right here, you can try to enter the market when the market retest, and then you set your TP at this area, guys. I've already told you guys how you can do this, guys. Now you set your TP at where maybe you remain one candle before the market reach the lower high right here, guys. Now this inverse head and shoulder. Now let's use crash 1000. As you can see, let's use crash 1000 to spot the entry, and now you can use this to trade on crash, guys. So now you can see here, guys. Now this how you can do this to catch spike, guys. Now you can see the market is trending to the upside, guys. Now this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the second shoulder right here, guys, and the market starts spiking to the downside. Now let's say this is the spike that break the zone, that break the line, neckline over here, guys. Neckline over here. Let me delete all this. This is the candle. This is the spike that break the neckline over here, guys. You can see the market detects. You can set to open your position right here and set your stop loss above the right shoulder, or you can wait for the market to retest before entering the market, and you can see the market start spiking down before we have already scanned this spike, as you can see here, guys. Now this is how you can make use of the strategy effectively, guys. Now if you found this video helpful, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also turn on the notification bell, so anytime I post using strategy, guys, you guys will be notified. So thank you. I will talk to you soon in the next video, guys.